I've definitely gotten pushback in the past from, friends, coworkers, my surroundings, mistakenly thinking my confidence is arrogance. And the reality is, I always believe that I don't think I'm better than anybody. I don't think that I was given more than anybody else. But one thing that I believe is this: I will outwork anybody. You're not gonna put in more work than I am. That's for sure. And if you do, you better believe I'm gonna go back to the drawing board and figure out a way to outwork you. That's for sure. That's the one difference between, it's not arrogance, it's confidence. I built myself up. No matter what, I'm gonna outwork you. You can bet on that one. I will outwork you. I don't care how much talent you have. I don't care how much of a head start you had. Comparing hard work, comparing our work, there's no way you're gonna outwork me. And that's the mindset that I have. That's the mindset that I have. I don't think I'm better than you, but I think I'm gonna outwork you. You don't think so? Prove me wrong. Let's go, prove me wrong. And if you try to do that, I'm gonna make you work. You're gonna make me work. Let's work together. Let's do it. Because I will push you to be better. I will help you to be better. And none of my friends can say that I've ever shut the door on them. I'm always open to help. I'm always open to share advice, to share what I know, to share what I figure out. So that's not, when I say I'm gonna outwork you, that doesn't mean I'm essentially not, wanting for you to win. I want all of us to win. I want all of us at the table. It's just that I'm gonna outwork you. So you better be ready to outwork me. And if you wanna challenge me, let's go. But I will not shut the door on you. I'm gonna share everything I'm learning. If I stumble across something, I'm gonna give you a warning to not stumble on this thing. And if I figure out something, I'm gonna share it with you because I want you to challenge me. I want the challenge. Bring in the challenge. And if we both can do that, that's it. We win. We win together. That's it. We win. So let's do it. Let's start today. Let's go. Let's do it.